Hello everyone. Welcome back to Guide Pro. If your Instagram features are suddenly disabled without any warning, then this video will help you understand why this happens and how to fix it. Many users notice that options like messaging, commenting, or certain features stop working even though they did not receive any clear notification. So let's understand the reason. First, this usually happens due to policy violations. Even if you did not get a direct warning, Instagram may restrict features if your activity goes against their guidelines. Second, it can happen due to spam-like behavior. For example, liking too many posts, following and unfollowing quickly, or sending too many messages in a short time. Third, it can be due to suspicious activity. If you log in from different devices or locations, Instagram may temporarily disable some features to protect your account. Now let's talk about how to check this. Open Instagram and go to your profile. Tap on the three lines and scroll down to Account Status. Here you can see if your account has any violations or restrictions. If any section shows a warning, tap on it to see the reason. Now let's fix it. First, stop all unusual activity for some time. Avoid liking, commenting, or following too much. Second, update your Instagram app to the latest version. Third, log out and log back into your account. Fourth, if the issue continues, wait for 24 to 48 hours because most temporary restrictions are removed automatically. If you believe this is a mistake, you can also report the problem through Instagram settings. So even if there is no warning, your features can still be disabled due to hidden restrictions. Always follow the guidelines to keep your account safe. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to Guide Pro.